This brand is a part of the Outlet Group and the units are made in Canada. They are sold throughout North America but only through authorized distributors. The Chinook family offers units with durable stainless steel primary and secondary heat exchangers that are backed by a lifetime guarantee. The units feature variable speed blower motors with ECM motor technology for quiet and efficient operation, as well as hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. This brand offers multi-position furnaces which allow the dealers to have less inventory and therefore less overhead costs, which can mean lower prices for the consumer. Their dealer network is very limited compared to other brands, and their warranty does not include total furnace replacement in case of heat exchanger failure. This brand receives an overall 2-star Don't Buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.